Alright, boys, trade recap of the day on how I actually banged a trade today. Alright, let's get right into it. So, on the daily time frame, man, you can't really see much. So, let's just go to the 4-hour. I saw that we were respecting this BPR, this balanced price range. I already went over the balanced price range. We swept liquidity inside of this BPR, and we delivered with a giant 15-minute inversion off of this leg. So, I was like, okay, well, let's see what happens now, okay? I was really bullish, right? We had the 4-hour, we had the new week opening gap above as well. So really, really great targets to the upside, right? So let's get into the trade. I looked for a continuation model today off of this 15-minute retrace back into this 15-minute fair value gap. And I took a 1-minute inversion fair value gap to the upside, just targeting this recent buy side liquidity. Could have targeted up here, didn't really matter. But I was targeting this liquidity, right? I went break even at the 3-minute, and I was targeting this buy side. Yes, we had an SMT, but it's whatever. So we had an SMT here. We swept this 5-minute internal low, or we tapped into a 15-minute, and we got this really nice displacement out of this gap. So I was really bullish, not gonna lie, and I really wanted to see this deliver, okay? So I entered right here on this candle close. I went break even at this 3-minute gap. And I originally had my stop loss right here. But then, because I thought I was risking, the amount that I usually risk, like 500. But it turns out I accidentally did not risk that much. I risked absolutely nothing. As you can see, wait, that's a combine. I only made 84 bucks, dude. Which is kind of funny because I usually make like 500 because I risk the appropriate amount, but today I guess I just did not. I was supposed to risk 4, but instead I risked like 1, I think, 1 or 2. So yeah, really bad mix-up from me, which is very unfortunate. However, we were green. We are still green on the day. So yeah, that's pretty good. Really easy trade, really easy to look at. And yeah, that's pretty much the trade recap. And if you guys actually want to learn from me personally, I'm going to be coming out with sort of a mentorship. My gosh, I can't speak. Mentorship slash one-on-one coaching for trading, for this strategy, for everything else with it. So if you want access to my Discord and all of that stuff, send me a DM and I will be sure to send the link over. All free right now. The mentorship will come much later for sure, but all free right now. And yeah, so just enjoy these trade recaps. A lot of free sauce, a lot of free game. Especially today on the continuation strategy, pretty easy type of day here, not gonna lie. So yeah, as you can see, it printed to all the draws that I had marked out, which is very nice. So with that being said, I'm not gonna hold you guys here any longer. So yeah, that's going to be it for the trade recap, guys. And I will see you all in the next one. Peace out, boys.